So I got this awesome recipe for a simple chicken broast that only takes a few minutes to make. It's super tasty and a great way to lose weight. First up, got to make this amazing marinade. Add in some red pepper, black pepper, coriander, a pinch of salt, garlic, and a splash of milk. Grab all the chicken pieces and let it sit for a couple of hours. Then it's time for the flour part. In all-purpose flour, sprinkle in a touch of garlic, black pepper, salt, and a little black seed. Gently coat each chicken piece in the flour mixture, pressing on it a bit to ensure the flavors stick. Then dip it back in that marinade for another layer of goodness. Time for the air fryer. Preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. Then air fry the chicken for about 1 hour, adjusting the heat as needed. And voila! You have a delicious crispy chicken broast that's ready to serve with some fries and ketchup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more easy recipes.